Hello, good day, my beautiful kings, Leos. How are we today? Welcome to Infinita Tarot channel and welcome to your reading for the month of June, for the first part of the month of June 2021. Leos, today I'm using the Celtic, Universal Celtic Lenormand deck to do the Celtic cross for you. And then I'm using Lenormand Celtic to clarify the actual spread and withdrawing one oracle card from the animal spirits to see what the universe wants you to focus on during this period of time. Leos, I love you and I want you to manifest the best outcome during this period. We're approaching to your season soon. We have Cancer, then you. Now we are in Gemini. So, Leos, if you like what you see or what the interpretation is saying and it resonates with your story, don't hesitate to comment and share this content, and please subscribe if you didn't do so, and hit the bell button to get notified once I publish new content. And Leo, follow me on Instagram and like my page on Facebook because all my activities are cross-channeled. Good? So, Leo, let us see. For you, during June 2021, my amazing kings. You have the Five of Wands. Oh. Page of Swords. Crowning you. Queen of Wands. You. Base. Ace of Wands. Recent past. King of Pentacles. Nearest future. The Six of Wands. Yeah. Oh, whoa. You're going to be successful in something. You are debating something in your life now. Let us continue. You have the Moon, your environment, the Hermit, hopes and fears, the Knight of Cups, potential outcome, Ten of Wands. Leo, Two of Cups, Five of Swords. You are dealing with a soulmate. There was too much conflict. They wanted to win you at any cost. They don't want to change their actual behavior, or you don't want to change your actual behavior. Energies can be reversed. I might be connecting to you or to the person that you are dealing with. So what I can see, there is a debate. There is a lot of parties involved in something, and somebody is actually wants to communicate. Communication is not established yet in the situation to actually clarify why is this whole Five of Wands, why is this happening, this conflict between you and someone. What's grounding you? You are the Queen of Wands, Leo. You know, you stand for your own beliefs. You are sexy, beautiful, attractive, and you can get whatever you want. In the recent past, you have the Ace of Wands. You are full of passion, and you get so many passionate maybe starts with specific people. In the recent past, King of Pentacles. You dealt with somebody who is focused on money, or you are focused on money. In the nearest future, we have the Six of Wands. Maybe you dealt with someone who is committed to something else, to their work or to their another family. But in the nearest future, you have the Six of Wands, you have victory. You are hiding what you are feeling, or you are hiding your actual situation, what you are dealing with. In your environment, there is a Hermit. Somebody got enlightened. Maybe you're dealing with a Virgo, but still, this person is enlightened, or that situation is getting better because now they know what is best for them and they know what is the trick. Hopes and fears is basically to reconcile or not in this situation, but the potential outcome, it's the Ten of Wands. Somebody is overwhelmed to make a move or had too much in there. You went through so many colors and then you're done deal. After the Ten of Wands, we'll have the Ace of Wands. You want something new, you want something fresh, you want a spark in your life again. Let us clarify with Lenormand Celtic to see who is the Five of Wands and the Page of Swords. Communication, very conflicted communications happened in the past. So many parties are involved, maybe. Somebody with the lilies wanted to heal the situation with you. Maybe the reputation of someone wasn't that good and you were like cutting communication with them. Somebody wanted to heal a situation. Yes. The recent past, King of Pentacles, somebody. Oh, so you removed somebody from your life because if you are the Queen of Wands, energies can be reversed. You remove somebody that you thought they are focusing on money, they're not focusing on you, they have another family in their life. The nearest future, we have the Six of Wands. Oh, wow, we have the actual, this communication or aggressive communication that happened in the past, or whatever you communicated in the past and you were very extremely defensive, gonna give you victory because you were right. So somebody wants to heal their reputation with you because you were right all the way. You are the Queen of Wands, you know what you want. The Moon. Why you have the Moon? We have the Bear with the Moon. You're hiding how... Leo, we all know how gentleman you are. Or gentlewoman. So you're not showing this anymore. Or you're being a gentleman and withdrawing from a situation. Just like that. The Hermit is your environment. Get enlightened, or somebody get enlightened about this situation. You get enlightened about the toxic behavior of somebody with a nice, very sneaky behavior that created the Ten of Wands. The Knight of Cups, hopes and fears. Yes, we have now the chicken communication, or somebody has to come towards you to communicate. They are afraid how to come, or you are afraid how to, if they will show up or not, because you're overwhelmed now. You're not putting any effort anymore. You want them to put the effort because you're overwhelmed. And look at this, we have the Rider. Maybe communication is coming soon because they get enlightened that they overwhelmed you in the past. They were not doing anything and you were doing everything. They were hiding some stuff from you. I wish you all the best, Leos. Let us see what the universe wants you to focus on with the Animal Spirits Oracle cards. Leos, here we go. We have the Tiger. Your Cancer had it. You're being called upon to provide leadership, so trust that you're capable of doing so. The Tiger, be the Tiger. You're a Leo, be the Tiger. So, be the whole jungle. Leo, you are the king. You can be anyone. Yes, be the Tiger now. I love you. I love you all. I wish you all the best and to manifest the best and positive outcome during this period of time. Don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell button to get notified once I publish new content. And follow my page on Instagram and like mine on Facebook. I love you, Leos. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Ciao, ciao.